immense and majestic, its planets in peaceful orbit, following their well-defined course. But it wasn't always that way. Long ago, it was a battlefield of endlessly clashing bodies. The fruit of this ceaseless combat, lasting millions of years, is our solar system. Only by studying remote worlds can we begin to understand our own. Most satellites and other heavenly bodies still bear the scars of these catastrophic events. And on Earth itself, vestiges of the collisions which gave rise to our planet, most of them occurring when it was merely a wilderness of erupting volcanoes, can still be perceived. Thanks to science's unraveling of the mysteries of the heavens, we are able to form an image of the universe and our place in it. And all would appear to indicate a tremendously chaotic and violent birth. A wonderful tale of survival and happenstance. The birth of the solar system. An intergalactic traveler reaching our solar system explores it from end to end in search of a suitable home. Upon approaching the sun, exotic bodies of all sizes loom into view. First comets, then huge planets such as Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, with its breathtaking ring system made up of dust and rocks, Jupiter, its atmosphere storm-racked by hurricane winds, followed by the frozen bleakness of Mars. Will our traveler ever find a planet capable of harboring life? The Earth, with its abundant water supply and its large satellite giving the appearance of a double planet, is different from everything else seen thus far. Its mild, season-regulated climate makes for a pleasant planet teeming with life. From Earth, strange and wonderful scenes may be viewed. It is, without a doubt, a privileged vantage point from which to contemplate the heavens and an ideal location to set up home. When our ancestors first raised their eyes to the heavens, they saw a fascinating display of light and movement. Why are the sun's movements not always the same? Why is it we see some stars move while others seemed fixed? What is our place in the cosmos? These are the questions we've been asking for as long as we've been here. And in order to answer them, the first science was born: astronomy. The history of astronomy is a mirror reflecting human awareness, with some stages of its development representing milestones which have had a huge effect on all other branches of knowledge. From the astounding discoveries of the Greeks up to the incredible advances of the last 100 years, the study of the stars has led us from believing ourselves to be at the center of creation to the knowledge that we are little more than an insignificant speck in the universe. Though great advances have been made, much work yet remains to be done. How far will our telescopes reach? What marvels does the universe still hold in store? The only limit is our curiosity. Join me on a voyage through the story of astronomy.
Plato is a curious little mole. He lives with his mom and dad deep underground in a dark burrow, full of mystery and surprises. He is a restless, curious, and thoughtful creature. Plato is fascinated by what he sees through the entrance to his home. Sometimes there's light, sometimes there's not. Why could that be? What mysteries are hidden beyond? Plato has always dreamed of seeing the world outside his home. And one day, that dream comes true. Our young friend discovers day and night, the sun and moon, and the stars. He is amazed by the scenery of the night sky and all the new experiences he has while exploring. Plato's best friends are Alpha, Beta, and Gamma. And they all love to sing together and go treasure hunting. It's a good thing Professor Socrates keeps an eye on our young friends, as sometimes their adventures can get a little out of hand. This Antares Full Dome production brings the fascinating study of astronomy to children of all ages in a fun, simple, and very humorous way through the eyes of a mischievous little mole. Take your audiences on a captivating romp through Plato's world in this entertaining and educational show, Moles, What Is Out There?
At last I've learned the way the world works, and now I know I can't go wrong.
Be careful, Plato.
The earth, moon, and sun are my idea of fun. That's why you hear me sing this song.
I've seen amazing wonders out there in the sky, and now it's time for me to learn. Yeah, with science here to lend a hand.
Earth is the only world in the solar system where we know life exists. Countless species of plants and animals thrive on its surface and in its oceans. But Earth is changing. The atmosphere is losing its ability to regulate the comfortable temperatures that help life thrive. Things are warming up. The signs are obvious. The glaciers of Greenland and the Arctic are melting away. Deserts are growing. The oceans are becoming more acidic. If the warming trend continues, the ice packs in Greenland and Antarctica will disappear in just a few decades. Sea levels will rise. Cities and coastlines will be flooded. Rising temperature will cause more intense storms. Prolonged droughts will expand Earth's deserts. Whole populations of plants, animals, and humans could be wiped out. Are these changes due to Earth's natural cycles, or are humans affecting our climate? Are we on a path of no return? In this documentary, Antares uses the latest science to share the story of climatic change. Explore its causes, see its effects, and find out if humans can adapt to the climate change we have caused or work together to reduce it.